What's up, guys? We're back with another drift video, and we're at Capitol Raceway again.
Once more.
And this time, there's hella people here.
We're out here for their 4th of July cookout, back with, who hosts this again?
Cooked Industries.
Cooked Industries, yeah.
So the organizer over there, there's our boy right there. We got the WRX helmet, 330i, and everything else. So we're setting up right now. There's going to be a track meeting at what, 2 o'clock?
Something like that. That's what she said, but I don't think everyone's ready yet.
Yeah, so there'll be a track meeting eventually. Also, I feel like I've seen that one on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah. We are on 245s, which are like super grippy out here, and so I'm upping them to 60 cold. And so hopefully that'll loosen them up a little bit.
Yeah, last time it worked pretty well.
Yeah,
once you got like
part.
the initial rubber off.
It's like if I mess up once, then it's just like the entire run is cooked.
Yeah. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Some sick builds here. Look at this guy. Oh, that's hilarious. Classic hanging your steering wheel from the... Oh, he actually has hooks in there.
Please.
Oh, we gotta take a look at this bad boy. Driver's meeting right now? Yeah. Okay. Like 5 minutes. Alright.
Alright fellas, just had the driver's meeting. About to head on track for the first time. It is extremely hot outside.
It's so hot, like I'm sweating my helmet already.
I guess I'll like go around like that. Wait, there's a bank on the tree turn now? Damn.
You ready?
I'm so ready. Are we about to have a group sit in the pool session?
I want to. It's probably really cool.
It's probably covered in like tire juice.
Yeah, probably. It's probably not. You guys.
That was a good one. Well, I put them to 60 cold.
Oh, true.
Have to do some stupid shit.
Cool?
Yeah.
Is it cool?
What, to do stupid shit and blame it on you?
No, is it cool out there?
Oh. Yeah, I didn't really go up on the bank.
That's good.
But this bank on the left here, I feel like it's kind of like steep. So if you like hit it weird, it like makes your tire...
If you hit it in like the front of it, it's definitely horrifying.
Speed. I screwed that one up slightly.
Oh, sure.
I think I'm not going to go around the pool next time. Like, I think my main goal when I'm driving is to take a line that lets me keep my revs up. Because once it goes down below like 3K or like 3,500, it just like bogs down. in the chat. Traction's still on. I think this run is cooked.
Yeah, we just didn't have enough speed there.
Yeah. I know. GG. Yeah, not enough speed for that. I think the run is cooked. Okay, this time I'm gonna try not to get so close to the other turn when I'm transitioning.
Too much angle.
Oh.
360 almost.
That didn't work. Yeah, that's looking sick. Do you think they're gonna wait until someone gets behind me? Okay, yeah.
Whoa.
I'm definitely getting more slippery now. I'm like throwing it in too hard now.
You want to lower your tire pressure a tiny bit? Just
I think I do. It's starting to like, the tires are like dead basically.
yeah. Damn, we've got E92 over there.
Do you think opening the hood actually does anything?
Alright, so we did some drifting. You'll see that in the POV. But we came back into the paddock or the pits because these tires are actually getting pretty. They're getting more cooked.
Yeah, 245s are not the move because I have to up the tire pressure so much to make them slip that it's just cooking the tire anyway.
You're ruining it.
Yeah.
So 225, 235. That's the lead next time. So what we did, we lowered it to what did you lower to?
57.
57,
56.
and then 56 psi for the rears, and then we're gonna spray these down. They don't have a water pit this time. They just have like a pool in the track. but we unfortunately can't use that. So yeah. All right, so now that we got the wheels spinning, got it jacked up.
Water is super hot.
At least it's wet though.
I'm like breathing in all the exhaust.
We got all that situated. Man's gonna go back out and drift in the mobile.
I know. I think when I go around the pool, it like doesn't set me up for the back part as well.
I agree. Because like we said last time, it's like a straight shot.
Yeah. Low coolant. I'm not going to open that, but I'm pretty sure it's not leaking.
I don't think it's leaking. I don't see any water. Like that's dry.
Like down there maybe? But that doesn't look like coolant though.